Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off larger accessibility text size on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Display and Text Size. Next, tap on Larger Text. And then tap on the toggle button to turn on larger text size or switch it off. Now once you turn it on, you can also change the text size in here to make it larger or smaller. So you can see that right now it is very large. It will apply throughout your systems. So if I open up my Safari browser, you can see the text within the web page will stay the same. This will base on the settings on the web page itself, but you can see here the system text size will be larger, such as the text on your search bar or in your bookmark. It will be significantly larger depending on the size that you have set. And so here, if I go into larger text and decreases the size, it is now smaller, and that will also changes on your Safari browser or your other apps. And that's it. So that is how you can enable or disable larger text size on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.